Hello friends, how have you been doing? Okay, before I start today's class, I will just ask you a riddle. For example, suppose my age is twice your age and the sum of our ages are 30. Can you tell me what is your age? Thinking? Yes. So these kind of riddles we can definitely solve by using a topic of maths called as linear equations in one variable. So today we are going to understand linear equations in one variable. Before I start my class, let us just quickly take up few revision of certain topics. For example, do you know what is expression? Now, expression means, for example, 2x plus 3. When there are two or more terms added with some signs like plus, minus, etc., it makes an expression. Now, what is this x in this expression called? The x in the expression is called variable. The x in the expression is called variable. Now, talking about what means equation. Now, the word itself says equation means equal sides. So, when I am going to equate this expression, say 2x plus 3 equals to 6. So, this becomes an equation. Got it? So, when I am equating this to some number or something else, it becomes an equation. This side of an equation is called left-hand side, and the right side of the equation is called right-hand side. And obviously, it needs to have a equal to sign. Okay. Now, moving further, we have learned how to find degree of an expression. For example, if I write x plus 3, what is the degree of this equation? Since the power of x is 1, the degree of the expression is 1. Let's take an expression x square plus 2. The degree of the variable is 2, thus the power of the variable is 2, thus the degree of the expression becomes 2. Now, the word linear means single. Therefore, an equation which has degree 1 is called a linear equation. Can you just repeat, anybody? Yes. A equation which has degree 1 is called a linear equation. Say, for example, x plus 2 is equal to 6, or y plus 5 is equal to 9, or a minus 3 is equal to 6. All these equations, they are all equations. All these equations, the power of the variable is 1. Thus, these all are linear equation. Clear? Got it? Okay. Now, moving further, how do we solve these linear equations? So, there are two methods of solving this linear equation. I'll erase this till that time. Now, can somebody tell me x cubed plus 5, is that a linear equation? No, because x has the power q. Okay, now let's go solving the linear equation. Let's take an equation x or 2x plus 6 equals to 16. 2x plus 6 equals to 16. Now, there is only one key rule to solve a linear equation. The key rule to solve the linear equation, that while we are solving the equation always needs to be balanced. As I said, left hand side, and the right hand side. It always needs to be balanced. When I say balanced, it always needs to be equal. Very simple. For example, if I have a balancing machine, okay, so this is my balancing machine with the left hand side and right hand plate. Now, if I have 5 balls on this, or say if I have 3 balls on this, how will this be balanced? This will be balanced only if there are 3 balls on the right plate also. Now, if I am going to add 1 ball on the right plate, this becomes heavier. So, to balance it, I have to add 1 ball here too. If I remove 2 balls from here, or say 3 balls from here, so again it's imbalanced. This will become heavier. So what I have to do, I will have to remove 3 balls from here too. So I remove 3 balls from here, and this is balanced again. So the key rule of solving a linear equation is the equation always needs to be balanced. In short, whatever I do on my left hand side, I have to do the same on my right hand side. If I'm adding something on my left hand side, for example, if I'm adding something on my left hand side, I need to add it on my right hand side too. If I'm removing something from my left hand side, I need to remove it from my right hand side too. Clear? The key to solving a linear equation is the equation always needs to be balanced. Whatever I do on my left hand side needs to be done on my right hand side. Clear? We will move ahead. Now, let's take an equation. 2x plus 6 is equal to 16. The key is we have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Now, if you will see, x is multiplied by 2. X has been multiplied by 2, and then it has been added by 6. X has been first multiplied by 2, and then it has been added by 6. So we will follow the reverse method. That is, first we will remove the 6, then the 2, and then we will find the value of 2. So the first step is, if I have to remove the 6, I have to minus 6 because it's a plus 6. The 6 has been added. To remove the 6, I have to minus the 6. Why? Because plus 6 minus 6 gives me 0. So I'm going to minus 6 on my left hand side. 2x plus 6 minus 6 equals to, remember my rule, what is done on the left hand side has to be done on the right hand side. So since I have subtracted 6 here, I am going to minus 6 from the right hand side either. So now my equation is, therefore, 2x is equal to 10. Got it till here? Okay. Now the x is multiplied by 2. So now if I want to remove the 2, I have to divide the same thing by 2. For example, because 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. So now I am going to divide 2 on the left hand side. Therefore, 2x divided by 2 is equal to, my rule, whatever I do on the left hand side, I need to do it on the right hand side. Therefore, 10 divided by 2. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 2, 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So this is how I can solve my linear equation. X is equal to 5. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed and you understood the basic of solving linear equation. We will continue the second method of solving a linear equation in the next class. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day.